2027 Yamaha Bolt 250 could become one of the most exciting entry-level cruisers if Yamaha decides to expand the popular Bolt family. While the company has not officially announced a 250 cubic centimeters Bolt, many riders have been asking for a lightweight cruiser that combines classic American-inspired styling with Yamaha's legendary reliability. If the 2027 Bolt 250 becomes reality, it could be the perfect motorcycle for beginners, daily commuters, and anyone looking for an affordable bike with premium cruiser character. Power would likely come from a 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 24 to 27 horsepower and approximately 23 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox, the engine would provide responsive acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and enough performance for city commuting as well as relaxed highway rides. Yamaha would likely tune the engine for smooth low-end torque, making it easy and enjoyable to ride in everyday conditions. The biggest highlight would be the new design. Inspired by the larger Bolt 950, the motorcycle could feature a teardrop fuel tank, a round full LED headlight, blacked-out engine components, chunky tires, alloy wheels, and a low-slung seat that creates a bold cruiser stance. Premium paint finishes, modern graphics, and minimalist styling would give the Bolt 250 a custom bike appearance straight from the factory, making it one of the most stylish motorcycles in the lightweight cruiser category. Technology would also bring the Bolt 250 into the modern era. Riders could expect a fully digital LCD or TFT display, LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, USB-C charging, slipper clutch, and smartphone connectivity on higher trims. Combined with its lightweight chassis and relaxed ergonomics, these features would make the motorcycle practical for daily use while preserving the classic cruiser feel that riders love. Now let's talk about the price. Since Yamaha has not officially announced the 2027 Bolt 250, the final MSRP remains unknown. However, if it reaches production with premium styling and modern features, a realistic estimated starting price would be around $4,500 to $5,500, depending on the market and equipment level. If Yamaha delivers this exciting concept, the 2027 Yamaha Bolt 250 could become one of the best value lightweight cruisers available, offering timeless style, dependable performance, and everyday comfort in one attractive package.